Hey guys, Jared with RainFire Restoration. I want to tell you a little bit of a tip about what to do on a water loss. If you come into your home and you notice that there's water pooling or there's water spewing out of pipes, it's important to know how to shut off your water. So when you locate your water shutoff valve, you'll look in an area that's in a utility room or near the far side of a wall, the exterior side of a wall. When you come over, you want to make sure you turn the water all the way off. Turn the valve so it closes all the way and there's no more room on it. You'll notice after you've shut the valve off, there's a period of time that the water will continue to drain. This is normal as your pipes have standing water in them. So as soon as the water shut off is all the way done, we'll come over here and check our water and see that the pressure continues to go down. If you shut it off correctly, this eventually will continue to shut off until there's no more water leaking.